What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to deposit money on Binance from Saudi Arabia. So if you're looking for a way to deposit money here on your Binance account from Saudi Arabia, well, there are a few things here that you need to do. So first things first is you want to open up your Binance account here or the app and log in into your account. Now at the bottom right of your screen, you should see assets. Go ahead and just press on it and click on add funds. Now in here, you want to go and click on the currency that you see at the top right of your screen. So let's go and press on it. And you want to look for Saudi Riyals. So it's going to be SAR. So just type that in and choose that one or click on it. Now, what you need to do is you want to go ahead either choose one of the following options. So we have buy with SAR P2P, which allows you to open up a chat here and basically contact a seller to transfer or allows you to receive funds via your account here. But you could also buy crypto or buy a SAR here via bank transfer, card, or more. So if you click on buy with ASAR here, it's now going to ask you how much you want to buy. So let's just say we want to buy like 100. Now, if you want to increase your limit, by the way, you could go ahead and do the identity verification here. Well, like for example, but in this case, once you've indicated the amount here, you can go ahead and just click on the buy button here. And by the way, you can go ahead and choose whichever crypto list here. So yeah, so you can go ahead and just click on verify or the verify option you see here on the screen. And once you verify your identity, you should now be able to buy or you should be able to add your payment method in order for you to proceed with the transaction. So make sure that you are ready or you are able to confirm the information that you added in here. And by the way, depending on what currency you chose here, payment methods may be different. So that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.